Hello, my name is Janice. Today I will be making a hand grilled cheese sandwich. For this recipe you will need bread, cheese, ham, and mayonnaise. In the past I have used butter, but now I use mayonnaise. With mayonnaise, the bread turns out more crispy and less greasy. First step, you're going to get some mayonnaise and you're going to spread it onto one slice of bread. Make sure it's evenly spread out on all sides of the bread. Then you're going to get your second slice of bread and you're going to spread mayonnaise on the bread. Then you're going to go to your stove and you're going to turn on the stove, and make sure when you do these grilled cheese sandwiches, make sure the heat is on low because you don't want to burn your grilled cheese sandwich. So now what you're going to do is you're going to place the one slice of bread with the mayonnaise face down on the pan. Then you're going to get 2 slices of cheese. Then you're going to get 2 slices of ham and you're going to place it on your sandwich. Then you're going to put the other slice of bread on top. So now you're going to have this, you're going to cook this sandwich for about 5 minutes on each side. Okay, I am back. It has been about 10 minutes. I cooked it for about 5 minutes on each side. As you can see, it's golden brown. Now you can enjoy your sandwich. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please take a look at my other videos. See you soon. Thank you.